On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a super cheap hair bun off Amazon. These super cheap hair buns off Amazon, Shein, Temu don't look super realistic. This one specifically is more of like a straight hair one. It's literally just like a hair tie with a bunch of synthetic hair around it. And they can be hard to get a perfect match, even though I got like the platinum blonde one. You can see it's a bit more yellow than my hair. It's not a perfect match. So most of the time it can be hard to get a perfect match, but there are ways to use these to your advantage, even if they don't match your hair completely. So I'm going to show you how. The hardest part of getting a hairstyle you want is often not having enough hair. And buns are particularly tricky when you have really fine hair, really thin hair, anything like that. So using fake hair is a great way to go about remedying that, but it sucks when the hair doesn't really match. So I'm going to show you how you can use it even if it doesn't really match. So we're going to start by putting our hair up in a ponytail with a regular hair tie. Just like this. Right where you want your bun to go. Then we're going to take our fake bun here and we're going to wrap it a couple times around our hair tie. So we've got this little ball of hair around the base of our ponytail. Now I'm going to take another hair tie. I'm going to grab my hair. I'm going to let my hair fall around the bun. So it's kind of like we've done this with a scrunchie in the past, but the problem with a scrunchie is often if your hair is not thick, you can see the scrunchie. So instead, we're going to have all that hair in there, put that hair tie around, start to pull out the hair, and then we'll take these little ends and we're just going to tuck them back into our hair tie. Or you can leave them, totally up to you. And that is how you use a fake hair bun that does not match your hair to still create a big fluffy bun on top of your head with your thin, fine hair. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you the confidence to try things on your thin, fine hair, because I know a lot of us that don't have a lot of hair naturally tend to avoid doing anything or just throwing it up in a basic ponytail every day, because sometimes it can feel like our hair is not capable of the same things that people who have thick hair is capable of, and that's just not true. So give things a try. Trial and error is your best friend with your hair, and everyone's hair is going to be different. So just because something worked for someone else and didn't work for you doesn't mean the next thing might not work for you. So don't give up on your hair. Your hair is beautiful. That notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.